Nobody warns you what nurses do after a 12-hour shift. 1 minute you're in scrubs, tired feet, long shift. They are multitaskers. The whole thing. Next minute, 10-year-old gown still works. And gold shoes still works. Do it your hair, save $150, and then on our way to celebrate. Okay, last night, I did my own hair to save $150 for an amazing party. But look what happened now. This is morning look because we're all going to work after an epic night. Let me share with you the story behind that dance. Okay, because I got DMs about it. How did we practice? And how did they got me to dance? Anyway, after my weekend trip from Texas, I got a message from my charge nurses. I got a little scared that I thought it's something about falls. So I joined the Zoom and they told me, boss, we have a surprise number for our birthday celebrant. And please don't refuse because we always say yes to you. And this time, only one thing we ask, please don't say no. And of course, I said yes.
Now, let's do it all together.
Showing up anyway, even after work, and this is beyond a nurse leader. Our life beyond the bedside.